Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress header. We will explore two primary methods for crafting this crucial website element. First, we will look at using your WordPress theme's built-in customizer, which is perfect for quick and simple modifications. Then, we will delve into the powerful capabilities of page builder plugins, offering you far greater creative control and design flexibility for a truly unique header. Let's get started. Using the theme customizer is a fantastic starting point for many. Simply go to Appearance, then Customize from your WordPress dashboard. Within the customizer, you will find dedicated sections for your header, often labeled Header or Header Builder. Here, you can easily upload your logo, arrange your navigation menu, and select from various layout options. You can see all your changes in real time before publishing them with a single click. For more intricate designs, a page builder is your best friend. Begin by installing and activating a robust plugin like Elementor or Beaver Builder. Next, create a new template and specify it as a header template. This allows you to use the intuitive drag-and-drop interface to add your logo, navigation, search bar, and any other elements you envision. You gain complete control over layout, styling, and responsiveness, crafting a header exactly to your specifications. Finally, let's cover some essential best practices for your WordPress header. Always ensure your header is fully responsive, looking great on screens of all sizes, from large desktops to small mobile phones. Optimize all images, especially your logo, for quick loading and crisp appearance. Keep your navigation clear and concise, making it easy for visitors to find what they need. Remember to test your header across different web browsers and devices to guarantee a flawless user experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.